Good day guys, Drone PH here. So another update again with our DJI. So we have updated the 1.12.6 around 3 days ago. So I'm planning to check the range guys, but I want to use the other apps because I downloaded already the FCC DJI Fly apps. So I will show you on how. So I download it from Drone Tweaks. Okay, so I have there the original and I have the FCC mode here. So I will check the range here guys. And watch until then guys, exciting about my range. I don't expect that I reach around 6 kilometers guys. So this is the apps guys. You can download in the description below for the FCC mode, okay? So this FCC mode guys is available on iPhone or Android, okay? But you need only to purchase. But it's fine, it's worth it because it's permanent for you can use for lifetime and better range for the FCC mode. Okay, so we are updated 1.12.6 and my transmission is the 5 gigahertz. Okay, so we are on the FCC as you see in the per kilometer lane. Okay, so it means we are on the FCC, so you can download if you want guys or purchase if you struggle with the range. Okay, so we are updated now guys with the FCC, so let's go. Okay, so I'm here outside guys. It's winter in Croatia. It's hard to fly. It's cold. Okay, so this is our version 1.12.6 and our transmission. 4 kilometers. Okay. So let's go. Let's start.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
So we are reached 6,112 meters guys with this FCC mode
Return to
apps
home.
with the version 1.12.6. So not bad, almost double with the CE mode guys. And I returned to home in a good way. So you need only to go home manually, okay? Okay, so as usual guys, arrive safe. So we don't have problem with the new DJI update, okay? So if you want to purchase the FCC mode guys, you can check the description below for the permanent FCC fly apps. Because in my one video before, the free is not working anymore, okay? So just trying to help everyone if you struggle with the range. So this is my battery. So I don't have any modified battery. I use only the standard for almost 2 years. Okay. First time in my history to reach around 6 kilometers with the standard battery, guys, with this FCC mode. So you can check the description. You can download it and try. Okay. So that's only the end of our video in our mini 2. So till next time again, see you and happy flying!